That's the tiller.
You know, this is the handler.
And this is the machine.
Yeah, very typical Greenworks. They make it simple.
Yeah. It's electric.
And you have the parts here. Lifting.
Now everything. Let's bring out the wooden stick. Guys, these are the parts.
So let's see how many parts do you see. One,
One,
the handler,
2, 3. Oh, and there's one more right there.
wheels, the tiller pen. So and then this one is clearly separate. So let's look at that picture how it looks. Okay, so this. See any parts here? No. This is just to hold it. Let's take a look at the picture.
Yeah. We need to remove the bubble wrap.
Here. Let's open it. You have to show the picture so you have an idea.
Of how to
Don't worry.
assemble it if you
No,
guys
that's the instruction, but I not do that. It's an ugly way to remove it. Make it nice. See? Thing with this bubble wrap, you can use it for
You
other.
always reuse it.
You can use it for other other purposes. See?
Yeah, your scissors are better than mine and bigger. Okay. I think it's upside down.
It's okay. You can turn it around and yeah, there. There. Let's show that. It's a 1040 volt cordless. The handle is here. One. This is detached. So attach this here. Two, and then the wheel you have to attach it. And then see this sharp part here, the tilling. Those shuriken-like blades. There's 2 of them or 3 of them. So with that, you have a clear picture now of what you have here. 8 by 5 inch, 10 inch width, 8 by 5 and a 5 inch tilling depth. This one here. So good, and then you have the transport wheels to roll it, right? Okay, so this is one look at it here again. Here, see, very easy to assemble. Okay, so it's not connected yet, but now you know how it's gonna work. And see if we have some instruction. If not, we can easily. Oh, it's there. The instruction is there. So what I'm gonna do, so this will serve as guide. I'll just turn this upside down. We will open the other instruction manual. And this is your model. Right, when you work in it. This is how it looks, right? See?
And we already have the battery for that.
We have the same battery that we use for the other ones. For the mower and the tree shredder, the hedge trimmer. So let's open this one. It should be easy. It shouldn't be hard.
Yeah, it's just easy. All you have to do, guys,
It's already there.
is this is cut the tape. And then you open it like that. And then guys, these are the blades. To be very careful with them because guys, they're sharp.
Yep, this is the one. See?
Yup.
See, they're gonna go here. They don't read the instruction before you open it, right?
Yeah. So
What 2 blades are those? The 2 blades, the tilling depth.
So these are guys the
Like
2
5 by
blades.
10.
2 black blades which you see in the picture. And the second one right here, we're gonna remove the tape and cut it again. This time, this is probably another blade, but bigger blades. Oh, there's supposed to be 2 blades which are supposed to come.
Actually, there's 3. If you look at it, look at the picture. 1, 2, 3. 3 blades. But we'll look at the instruction again.
Okay.
No instructions? You should be. The instruction is there.
So, guys, we're looking for the instructions.
You find it. So we'll dig in for it. There's got to be something. So there's none. We can assemble. And the battery, it doesn't come with the battery, right?
No, we already have the battery for it.
It's sold separately. See this? So there is no battery and charger, but we have a lot from the other instruments. But the nice thing about Greenworks,
It's super charger.
no, it's not that. It's electric, yes. And what else?
And it's because
The batteries are the same for the different equipments.
yeah, because if it's not cordless, then you plug it into the wall, the whole circuit breaker will just turn off automatically.
Thing is, this thing doesn't have an instruction, so you'll have to do it by ear. Right? This normally has an instruction. I don't see the instructions. I'll double check again. No, not yet. It's the big one here. You have instructions. Where did it go? Let me check the box again. Normally they have instructions. It's very odd that they don't have any instructions. I find that odd. No guide to help us, but let me use the phone. See if I can assemble this correctly.
Yep.
Because there's nothing to guide us. So hold on. I'm going to make it possible. Okay, and this part is the the wing nut is here. Okay, and this is the number 2 is the lower handle, upper handle, lower handle. Obviously, it's gonna connect like that. You see the picture? And wheel assembly at the bottom. Okay, so
so we can cut this later. This is, guys, this is the board. This is where you put the battery. Right here. Guys, so
okay, first things first. See, I know where this goes now. Number 6. Let's do the first part, the easy part first.
okay. So can I remove it?
Yeah. It's just you have a cutter.
I believe it's.
It's okay. I'll hold it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's a very powerful cut. If not, I'll cut it for you. Okay. You got it. Okay. Very good. You know where this is gonna go? It's gonna go here. See? And then we're going to use
Like this?
yeah, we're gonna plate. You can either adjust the height. See this holes here, Frankie? Here, see this? You can adjust it though. You can go high, low. You can go high, medium, low. See this? Okay. Let's work on this. Greenworks always makes it easy for the users. It never makes it hard. This is the first part when you attach. You open the wing nuts, connect the upper and the lower handler. Very easy. Very easy. And then,
This is the handle.
yeah, okay, you want to cut this part out or use the scissor nicely, gently, straight line, in a straight line so it's neat. You want nice cuts.
Like that?
Yeah,
Something like that?
yeah. Now, I'm gonna borrow the other scissor.
Okay. So this is
I'll work on the other side too. We're gonna work efficiently. See, notice how it's brand new.
and it's neat the way we cut it.
Yeah. You know, pair it, with ease and then slowly. Okay, slowly but surely. You're getting there, huh? Now, be careful with this wing nuts. That is the one that connects it. You see? Here, I'll do it for you. You don't have to.
Roll it and then. Oh, there we go.
Right, so
And put back
slowly we put this away.
Put back the mirror.
So now having done that, then going back to the instruction manual, you see the upper handler. This is the upper hand. Okay, so we're going to remove the thingy, this one, the support here.
And then the handle work right
See,
here.
actually, don't even. Oh yeah, you work on that. The other one.
Free the handle like that.
Yeah, this is Greenworks. They really make it nice and
Well,
easy
it's
for
like
you.
a lawnmower. Like you have to hold it like a gas lawnmower.
Yeah. See,
Like-
you notice, they're nice and easy to assemble. They make it easy. That's what I love about Greenworks. Rather than advertising for it, but I think, you know, as a home user, you want something that's easy and fun to work with your kids that we all enjoy. And this is fun. You know. Okay, so now it's clearly this one goes here and this one goes here, and then again you put those little security knobs. So let's work on the bottom one, number 13. Number 13, let's look at what we got here. Here we go. One of those little corkscrews. Any more here that we need to know? Here we go. You see this, right, Frank? See this? Okay, so see this? Let's take a look. Look at this one. Very easy. See, working from the back, this goes here, right? You attach it here, and then slowly you have to tear it. Then you notice. Nice. Look at it. What a beauty.
Is it goes on?
No. If you see, careful, Frank, I'll put it back here again. It looks more like this. See this? Two parts. It's two parts. Let's see if it is this and a straight knob. Let's see how this will work. Do you think this will go through? Let's give it a shot.
Okay.
Does it work? Let's just play with it. Play with this. See? Okay, you see it? This is obviously the correct pin, and is this perhaps the correct one to secure it? That's a bit. I think it is. Let's take a look again at the drawing. Yeah, it is insert the wheel. Yes. This is the trial run, right? It goes in like that. Put the pin through and through, and then that, and then it goes through this hole, and then zap. You got it? Easy peasy, right?
Can I try?
Two-stop maneuver. Okay, so here, how high? Maybe let's go high. Let's go high so you don't have to bend so much. Okay, so with this one, you have to approximate it. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Frankie. I'm gonna feel it, okay? Go ahead, see if you can approximate it to it. Is it going to? It's supposed to go to the other side.
Oh, wait. I can see it. Well, let me do it the other way.
Okay. Yep, I feel it. It went through, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we went the high approach, and then you see, you feel the hole. There's a hole somewhere here. Remember how we practiced the hole?
Oh yeah, I see it.
You see the hole?
So then we just
Do you slip the hole? You slip it through, push it through.
push it. Just push it.
Where's the hole? Yeah, here. The hole is here, right? You go from the top and then slowly push it down. Yes. And then one more. To make sure it doesn't go away. So it's the first spin, right? You think it's gonna go away, or you want to go to the second one?
Let's go to the second one.
There's a little bit of force here, just to secure it. Yeah. Okay.
You can hold that screw.
Okay. So. Hold on, right? No, I'll do it. We're going to use this. This is like a force multiplier.
How's it gonna work?
It's a pin. That's all it is, a pin. There, it's good.
Wait, how?
So now, see, you notice it's 1, 2. There's 2 locks.
Yeah, it doesn't come off anymore.
It will. You can, but you have to pull it there. Now, having said that, now you already have some wheels. What would you like to? Would you like to do the bottom? And the instruction says let's work on the top area, and the battery. Well,
Battery
goes some.
goes here?
Yeah, it goes there. Okay, and then we'll do the battery later. Let's do this one, the upper handler. The upper handle. Okay. Obviously, the upper handle. It's okay. It's okay. We can actually go like this. Okay. We could actually go like this. See, you have the basic contour. So with this thing, what you do here, I spray it. You hold it, Frankie.
Okay.
You see, guys, it's so nice and very fun to work with. And even mom, pop, and dad, anywhere, could do this. Even a little boy like me, young at heart, and my son, we enjoy doing this. It's relaxing. It's therapeutic. We need
And
this.
it's fun. And it's, guys, if you're bored, you can just assemble something like this. It's easy.
This is good for all of us.
And some good exercise.
Yes,
like
it is.
work.
When we work out, get some fresh air. See, I'm opening this window. This is a cover
It's
window.
kind of looking like a pressure washer.
Yeah. Now the pressure washer, that one needs some improvements. I don't think we are.
The coldest ones are better than
See,
the
I
cold
rolled
ones.
it using my other hand to roll it. And there we go. Now,
These squares, that right there.
again, we have to align them. Okay, in a nice angle. Okay, let's try it. So we go through and through. And we'll try to get this one. Oh, wait. That's ridiculous. We're having fun, guys. We're having fun.
Yep.
Out there in the video world. Okay, not yet. I'm gonna try to get this baby through. Okay, so both of them are through now. You have to
Oh, we can let
secure
go.
them. Yeah, you can let go, and you can secure them with this
Hey,
baby.
can I do the other one?
Sure. See, it's fun. Aren't you having fun, guys?
Yup.
You can do this while watching maybe perhaps your favorite news or whatever show you like. You
You
know,
can just get something done quick.
it's relaxing. You feel good. Sense of achievement, purpose, meaning.
Yup.
Tighten
you
it.
could just
Tighten it, my friend. See, you tighten it. Okay, so again, going now. We have this, the power is here. It's all there, and this is where you control the knobs. Some electric juice here. Now let's go to the blades. Now the blades. And how many blades are you supposed to see? Pause, please. We're gonna pause it here.
There's a big dent.
It's okay. No, it's designed that way. Now, how many times these? They call this times. Now I only see 3. Is it really supposed to be 3, Frankie? Let's double check.
Wait, Dad.
It's supposed to be 4. There might be something missing. We'll do a pause again. We'll look. Here it is. This is the tiller, and then you feel it. Okay. It's going in. Is it going in? You see it from your side?
Yup, it's going in.
It's going in. Okay. Okay. It's the. You feel the letter here. The stamp letters. Is it here?
That's letter C.
Letter C. You see the letter C here?
Yup.
And then the word B. B should be here, facing outward. Okay. Put it in.
Maybe you can put it back.
No, surely there's a way to put it in. Oh, I see. See this? The flat one here. The flat one should go flat to flat. See? Easy peasy, right?
Yup.
And then, take a look. The letter B. The B is here.
B.
B is here. You can see the B. And you can see the C. Okay, and then,
This is
if you look
B.
closely on the instruction, they want you to put the washer. Put the washer here somewhere. I don't know. The washer.
And the other one as well, the washer.
Each side of the washer.
Okay, I put the
Slide
wash.
against
I put the washer on both sides.
Okay, on both sides.
At first I thought this is plastic, but
Again, the flat surface is here. So possibly it goes here. You see it? Okay, we can rest it actually. And then just align the flat surface. And then double check if you have the washer. Okay.
It looks kind of cool. Alright, then we
The next one, okay. Okay, so now, again the letter E. Look for the flat part. Alright, look for the flat part. Put it in. You see it, guys? You see it? Flat.
Yep.
Flat to flat, and then put it in. Do it systematically. You get this done. Washers in, washers in. All right. Now, there seems to be a little bit. You have to secure it. Let's see how they're gonna secure it. We're gonna pause for a bit on this side, okay?
Wait, what do I do?
See, it's gonna go through and through like this. And look at daddy's.
Is it this?
It's through and through and through from top to bottom. You see it? You have to make it come out like that. Okay, then what do we do next? Okay, so now we inserted the pin a while ago, but still it's not secure. What are you gonna do, Frankie?
You're gonna go put this thing down like this?
Put the ring down. Okay, make you're gonna hear the cling sound. Bring it down so it never. Now this thing will never go away, right? This,
yeah.
Because this ring is making sure it stays there. I did the same on the opposites. I'm gonna give you the cling, okay? 1, 2, 3, cling. So this baby is gonna stay there for the duration of the task. Frankie did. Okay. So now, having said that, what else do we need to do? The spacer is a big mystery. Let's see. We had to redo this because initially when we put it in, this was reversed. This safety bar here was fake. Okay. Now the big question is this one. Based on what I read, it goes here.
So guys, we're finished with the tiller. We assembled everything, and this, guys, is where the battery goes. Guys, this is where the battery goes. It goes here. You open the screen thingy. You put your finger here.
Now they're sold separately.
Yeah.
So if you happen to be an owner of other machines that are Greenworks, the beauty of it, you can switch the batteries. They're all interchangeable.
Like
40 volt battery here, pop, and then put it in.
And it's way better than cord, because what if it shuts down your entire house? Electricity.
So if you want to run this, let's say you have the battery here, like this guy is running it. You bring it down to this angle, okay? Alright, let the sharp blades go in there and touch the soil, and then you press this safety lock. When you press the safety lock, it touches your hand like this. The electric current will now flow, and you press this for acceleration. Yep. And then this is dipping, and it's slowly going forward. Okay, slicing away at the soil in a 4x4.
It's like
4 blades row.
It's like a hole from Minecraft. A hole which like tills it.
Okay, and again a close up. You see it there. See the angle? It's this way now. It's down. You see? Now, see that? And you have a safe distance from, anything. You make sure you clear the pathway, and you do your magic, and then remove those and remove all the unnecessary stuff before you do the tilling of the soil. Having said that, I want to wish you a great day tonight, and I hope
happy holidays,
and that you enjoy our mini session tonight or today, wherever you are in the video world.
Yep, and this is Greenworks, so bye.